Hey English learners, want to speak like a native? In today's video, we've got a conversation packed with slang and idioms. Improve your speaking efficiency and sound like a true American. Stick around for explanations of each term. Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Now, let's dive into the conversation.
Hey dude, I'm kind of lost here. Can you help me out with directions to the nearest gas station?
No problem, bro. You're going to want to take a left at the next intersection and head down Main Street. Keep going until you hit the third stop sign. Then make a right onto Oak Avenue. The gas station will be on your left-hand side about 2 blocks down.
Sweet, thanks. And while we're at it, I'm looking for this hip coffee shop called Brewhound. Any idea where it's at?
Brewhound. That place is rad. Okay, so after you leave the gas station, go straight for a couple more blocks. When you see a big red brick building on your right, take a sharp left onto Elm Street. Brewhound will be just around the corner, across from the park.
Got it, man. Appreciate the help. One more thing, though. I'm trying to find this fancy restaurant called Bistro Bliss. Can you give me the scoop on that?
Oh, Bistro Bliss. That joint is top-notch. All right, so from Brewhound, head back to Main Street and make a right. Keep going until you reach the second traffic light, then make a left onto Pine Street. Bistro Bliss will be on your right-hand side, right next to the art gallery.
Awesome, you're a lifesaver. Thanks a bunch, dude. I owe you one.
No worries, man. Just pay it forward. Enjoy your coffee and fancy eats.
Here's an explanation of the slang and idioms used in the conversation. Dude, slang term used to address someone casually, usually a male. It's similar to man or bro, kinda, a shortened form of kind of, used to indicate a slight degree or approximation. Help me out. Requesting assistance or aid. No problem. An informal way of saying you're welcome or indicating that something is not a difficulty. Gonna. A contraction of going to, used to express future actions. Take a left, make a right. Instructions to turn left or right at an intersection or junction. Keep going. Continue moving forward in the same direction. Hit the stop sign. Reach or arrive at the stop sign. Left-hand side, right-hand side, referring to the left or right side of the road or street. About 2 blocks down, approximately 2 city blocks away. Sweet, slang term used to express enthusiasm or approval. Hip, stylish or trendy. Rad, short for radical, meaning something is cool, excellent, or impressive. Around the corner, nearby, or just a short distance away. Got it. Understood or comprehended the information provided. Appreciate. Expressing gratitude or thanks. One more thing. Introducing another question or request after previous topics have been discussed. Fancy, elegant, or upscale. Give me the scoop. Provide information or details. Joint. Informal term for a place or establishment. Top-notch. Of the highest quality or standard. Pay it forward. To do a good deed for someone else as a way of repaying a kindness received. Owe you one. Expressing gratitude and acknowledging a debt or favor owed to someone. Lifesaver. Someone who provides crucial help or assistance. Bunch. Informal way of saying a lot or a significant amount. These slang terms and idioms add a casual and conversational tone to the dialogue, commonly used in American English informal settings.